Although small in size, the benefits of starfruit are very large. Not only increasing endurance, this oval-shaped fruit is also believed to be able to lower blood pressure to prevent the growth of cancer cells. Wuluh starfruit or vegetable starfruit is a plant that is commonly found in Southeast Asia. This fruit that has a very sour taste is often used as a cooking ingredient for various foods, such as fish curry, tongseng, or ferocious acid. The benefits of starfruit are obtained thanks to the abundant nutritional content in it. Some of the nutritional content in this Wuluh starfruit are carbohydrates, protein, fiber, vitamin C, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, iron. In addition, starfruit also contains B vitamins and various types of antioxidants, such as flavonoids, saponins, and tannins. The following are some of the benefits of starfruit for health. 1. Controlling blood sugar levels. Some research shows that starfruit is useful for controlling blood sugar levels. This is thanks to the antioxidant and fiber content in starfruit. The benefits of starfruit are certainly very well felt by diabetics who want to control their blood sugar levels. 2. Increase endurance. Vitamin C contained in starfruit acts as an antioxidant that can increase endurance. Not only that, this vitamin is also known to stimulate the formation of collagen, which functions to maintain healthy skin and accelerate the wound healing process. 3. Lowering high blood pressure. The next benefit of starfruit is that it can reduce high blood pressure. This is because the high content of potassium in starfruit helps relax the walls of blood vessels, thereby lowering blood pressure. 4. Reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Belimbing Wuluh contains strong antioxidant activity. These antioxidants are needed by the body to counteract the effects of free radicals that can increase the risk of cardiovascular disease and stroke. 5. Reduce the risk of cancer. A study shows that starfruit is useful for preventing the risk of developing cancer. This happens thanks to the antioxidant content of flavonoids and saponins in starfruit, which can inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells. In addition, starfruit is also often used as an herbal medicine to treat coughs, joint pain, and high blood pressure. Although starfruit offers a variety of benefits, it is important to note that these benefits still require further evidence and research. However, there is nothing wrong if you start adding starfruit to your diet. Make sure you choose starfruit that is ripe enough, then wash it under running water until clean. After that, then you can process it into food or food according to taste. You are also advised not to consume starfruit in excess. This is because starfruit is rich in calcium oxalate, which is at risk of causing kidney stones to acute kidney failure. In addition, starfruit is also neurotoxic, which can cause symptoms of poisoning in patients with chronic kidney failure. Therefore, if you want to reap the benefits of starfruit, you should consult your doctor first to get the appropriate advice, especially if you have certain medical conditions or disorders.